Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
Alright guys, so we are going to clean my car, and this is everything that I'm going to use. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except for that, and well, actually everything, well, except this, and then these are my microfiber cloths. So everything here is from the Dollar Tree. So the only thing I think that I might not use is maybe one of these for the tire. I'm just not sure. I got this foam one, we're gonna try that. And here is the soap. So we're gonna try this soap here. I usually use what my husband gets from like AutoZone or Walmart or wherever he gets the car stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and try this from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to detail the inside of the car as well, because we have two boys that were sick and I took them to the doctor this morning, and then the dog had an appointment too, so she was back here, so all this has dog hair, so I need a vacuum. But first we're gonna do the outside of the car. So we're gonna start off with pouring water into one of the buckets and then adding this and see how that goes.
I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video, we will be washing my car with a Dollar Tree cleaning products. We'll be washing the outside and cleaning the inside. So I am super excited because I loved every single product. The only one I did not like was the glass wipes. They didn't work, but my husband thinks that the reason they did not work for me was because I should have followed the wipes with a like cloth or something cotton, and that would have prevented the streaking. But well, I didn't know, so live and learn. But my favorite product that I use on my car is the foam tire shine. Oh my gosh, I love the way my tires look. They're super shiny. Even now, it's been about a week since I washed the car. I love the way the tires look. Like, those to me look amazing. But I loved every single product I used, and it was the perfect day to wash the car. It was a little windy, but it was super hot outside. And I am also washing my car in sections because you don't want to wet the whole entire car and then soap the whole entire car and then go in and dry it. Then you'll have those like dry water spots. So I decided to wash the vehicle in sections, and that worked great. There was no watermarks left or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this video.
Okay, the car is done. The next thing I'm going to do is clean the glass. So I got this, and then I got these. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe this side I'll use the wipes, and then on this side I will use this. So I'm going to use this with some paper towels. So let's see what's the difference. Okay, so overall, I think, impressed with the spray window cleaner. But this, I don't know what these are. I don't know if you can see it. They're like these little specks. I'm assuming it's the tint. My husband's not here, so I don't know. I'll ask him when he gets home, but I guess it's the tint. They feel kind of bumpy, but definitely liking the spray window cleaner. So back here I use the same thing, like it, and then this side was the wipes, which you can see a little smearing, but it still did the job. Well, you can see some smearing right there. Same thing here. This was wipes, and you can see little specks of things. But okay, we are going to do the inside of this vehicle, which is a total mess. A little bit of deep cleaning that I did in my first, I did like a car organization, but we're gonna do a little bit of deep cleaning in here. So let's get started.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim, come and swim through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy
sprayed that on the tires. So I'm gonna let it dry and then wipe it and see what that does. Alright guys, so the car is pretty clean. I will show you the outside in a second. Let me just show you guys what I've done in here. So this is pretty much the same as last time. These are gonna go back and be hooked up here. But I decided to take the little notebook out. It just made it easier if I needed to write something. Then I have pens and a checkbook in here just in case, and my coins. And then here I have floss sticks and the little breath strips. And here are the coasters that I originally had, but let me show you what I got off of Amazon. So check these out. They are adorable. I haven't tried them in here, so let's see. We are gonna try this, see if they fit. So, oh my gosh, they fit. And they fit perfect. They're ceramic paw prints. I just thought they were so freaking cute. I love these things. I forget how much they were, but I will link it down below. Let's see. I'm gonna put one right here. Put the string down. Does that fit? I don't know. Take this out. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is perfect, you guys. So I'm just gonna stick that little paw print there. I just thought that they were much bigger than these. See, look at the size and compare. They're just much bigger. So, oh, it looks so cute. Now this, I always forget how this goes. I think it's this way. Yeah, I think. So, look how adorable. Let me finish it off here. So I'm going to put the little string down, and there it goes. Well, maybe I shouldn't put the string down because I have to pick it up. So I'll fix that one in a second. But those are the new coasters I got. I think they look super cool. Now I'm just going to plug these back in and then wrap them up in this. And then I have this sanitizer spray that I got from work, which I am probably going to put in here. So here's a lint roller, and then some tissue, masks, and then my Femme products, and then just a little manual that comes with it. So that's it in there. And here, like I said, nothing, just hair ties and bobby pins and chapstick, which I might take these out because it's already hot, and these things are going to start melting, and pens, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these together, and then I will show you the whole car. Oh, I do also have, oh, I took it upstairs, some little tree air fresheners, which I'm going to stick probably in the back because I don't like it all here because I am very sensitive, so I don't want to smell that the whole time. So let me put these in, and then I'll show you the car. Shine here. If you can tell right here, this is where I sprayed. I didn't spray on the tread of the tire, but I just sprayed all around, and it does shine it up a bit, so that's pretty awesome. So yeah, okay, inside is clean. I showed you guys what I did in there, but let me show you this. So I think I got these at a Dollar Tree too. So I don't like putting these up front because I'm very sensitive. So I always open them and just kind of throw them in here. I have this one here. So I'll just leave that there. And then I'm also going to open this and probably stick it maybe somewhere back here in the middle. Just somewhere where I can smell it, but I don't have to smell it all the way up front. So I'm going to do that. And I think that is it for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll just give you a quick little tour of the inside of the car, and that's going to be it for this video, you guys.
Alright guys, y'all should have seen me trying to get this in here one-handed, trying to get it wrapped around the headrest here, but I got it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Under the lazy evening sun, but paraíso. Come and swan to the local paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.